We learned just before this press conference that the public security minister is launching an investigation into the Camara case. So what kind of a message do you hope that sends to Quebecers that your government is launching an investigation into what happened?
Well, I think it's very important to know exactly what happened, if rules were followed, if we have to change some rules. And I think that Judge Dion has all the experience and authority to make sure we have all answers to our question, because we all have answers about what happened. It doesn't look good.
This weekend, Richard Janda, an associate professor in the law faculty at McGill University, published an opinion piece in La Presse, and I'm going to quote it directly in French because I don't want to paraphrase. He said, "Nous sommes devant un autre cas qui révèle le racisme systémique du service de police de la ville de Montréal. Je pèse mes mots, je n'accuse pas tel policier ou tel enquêteur, j'accuse le fonctionnement et l'administration du SPVM." How do you respond to this law professor and to others who say that what happened to Mr. Camara is a clear example of systemic racism?
I think we don't have enough information to know if it's a case of racism. I think that Mr. Dion will be able to answer this question about the motivation, about why it happened this way. Would it have been the same if it was a white person? So we need to have these answers, and I can understand that people want to have these answers.
Question that's on the table now, even though previously you've refused to acknowledge the existence of systemic racism.
No, I'm talking about racism. I'm not talking about systemic racism. I'm talking about racism.
On doit mettre fin au point de presse. Merci.